Did you know that most people lose money when they start trading? It's not because they aren't smart, it's because they don't have a clear plan. And more importantly, they don't understand their trading profile, the unique combination of their personality traits, circumstances, and goals. But guess what? That can change in just 4 days. Hi, I'm James. And at the MMT Live Trading Event, we're going to show you how to trade with confidence, step by step, no fancy jargon, no confusing charts, just simple, clear steps you can follow to become a smarter trader. This is a 4 day live event where you'll learn everything you need to succeed in trading. And don't worry, it's all broken down in a way that's super easy to understand. Most traders fail because they try to follow strategies that don't match their strengths, weaknesses, or life situation. Imagine trying to build a house with no blueprint. It wouldn't work, right? But here's the thing, even with a blueprint, there are thousands of ways to design a house. What works for one person might be a complete disaster for another. Some people need a big kitchen for entertaining, others want a quiet office space. The perfect house design is unique to each person, and trader is exactly the same. There are thousands of trading strategies out there. Only one is the right fit for you. And that's why understanding your trading profile is so important. Your trading profile is what makes you as a trader. It covers three key things: personality traits. Are you more direct or are you cautious? Do you prefer quick decisions or careful planning? Circumstances. How much time do you have to trade? How much capital are you working with? Goals. What drives you? Are you trading for financial freedom, supporting your family, or building long term wealth? Knowing your trading profile will help you choose the right strategy to align with who you are. At the MMT Live, we'll help you figure out your profile so you can stop following the wrong plans and start trading in a way that fits you. Over these 4 days, we're going to cover everything you need to know to trade like a pro. You'll learn how to analyze different markets, discover strategies that match your profile, and create a clear game plan for your trades. We'll show you how to develop your skills, manage your trades, and stay focused on your goals. But here's the most exciting part. We're going to do live trading during the event. You'll get to watch us make real trade decisions, see exactly why we make them, and witness the actual results. This isn't just theory, it's hands on learning and shows you how trading works in the real world. You'll see the process, the thought patterns, and the strategy we use to achieve consistent success. This isn't just about making money, just to be extremely clear. It's about giving you the tools to take control of your future, whether you're brand new to trading or you've tried it before. The MMT Live Trading Event is designed to help you succeed. Let's look at it this way. Imagine knowing exactly what to do every time you trade, or imagine having a strategy that feels right because it matches your personality, your time, and your goals, or imagine just feeling confident, calm, and in control. That's what this event can give you. If you're ready to start trading journey and unlock your potential, then don't wait. Scroll down, grab your ticket for the MMT live trading event now. This event could be the start of something amazing for you. Can't wait to see you there. Now remember, trading success is just 4 days away. Let's do this together.